Good morning, my dear students. Today it's again EVS day. So we are continuing the chapter Good Manners Part 2. That means we already did page 46 in the previous class. Today it's time to start the next page, which is page number 47. So I request you all, when you listen to this video or when you watch this video, please keep your book by your side so that you can read along from the book as well. So, dear children, in the previous chapter, we learnt about some good manners or golden words which we should follow. I hope you remember those. We should use words like sorry, thank you, please, excuse me, take permissions. So, all these have to be practiced. After that, in this chapter, we have already discussed the previous good manners, but there are some more things which we should put into practice, जो हमें और भी चीज़ें हैं जो follow करनी चाहिए. So we will read and try to understand those. So let's read. First is be punctual in studies, eating and playing. So firstly, I hope this word punctual, maybe you must have listened, but for some of you it might be a new word. So punctual, firstly you have to understand its pronunciation. इसमें CT आता है, but spelling हम कैसे CT spellings में आता है, but बोलने में ये word है punctual. च की साउंड आती है इसमें, राइट. सो पंक्चुअल मीन्स टू बी ऑन टाइम. व्हेन वी डू एनीथिंग ऑन टाइम, लाइक यू हैव टू अटेंड योर क्लासेस, व्हेन यू गो टू स्कूल यू हैव टू रीच द स्कूल इन टाइम. देन फॉर एवरी पीरियड यू हैव अ बेल. सो दैट मीन्स वी वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू द टाइम. सो जब हम हर चीज़ टाइम पे करते हैं तब हम पंक्चुअल होते हैं. बट इफ़ वी डोंट फॉलो टाइम देन विल बी लेट. So whatever you do, you have to wake up, you have to do your studies, you have to take your meals in a day, your playing time, everything is fixed. So many things you do in a day and you have to be punctual for those things. So if your class is at 9 o'clock, you should be ready by 9 and ready for your class. Okay, so that means punctual. After that, keep your books and toys at right place. So children, they love to play with toys. You have so many books to study. So it's your duty that after you play with your toys or after you finish your studies, you have to keep those things at the right place. There should not be any chaos या clutter नहीं होना चाहिए. It's not your mama's duty or anybody else's duty to clear those things or to pick up those things. So whenever you have fun, you play with your toys, you have to keep your things back at the right place also. Do not write on the walls. In this picture you can see there's a little boy, he's writing on the walls, but you people are now big enough, आपको पता है that walls are not the place to write. We have to use a notebook, paper, we can use some whiteboard or blackboard to write, but not on the walls. Walls are not meant for writing. So again, if you're doing such things, it is not a good manner. Go to bed early at night and wake up early in the morning. So in this picture, this child is following the right routine because he is sleeping at the right time. वो जल्दी से सो गया है at night, and that is why he could wake up early in the morning. आपने सुना भी होगा अर्ली टू बेड अर्ली टू राइज मेक्स अ मैन हेल्दी वेल्दी एंड वाइज. मतलब जो लोग ये प्रैक्टिस फॉलो करते हैं जल्दी सोने की और जल्दी उठने की, वो हेल्दी भी होते हैं और उनके सारे वर्क अच्छे से होते हैं. थ्रू आउट द डे दे आर एक्टिव एंड कैन डू देयर टास्क्स नाइसली. सो अगेन दिस इज़ अ गुड मैनर विच वी ऑल शुड फॉलो. Next is say good morning when you meet someone in the morning. That means जब भी आप किसी से मिलते हैं, if it's morning time then we have to wish good morning. When you go to school you always wish your teachers, है ना, but in the same way when you at your house, then also when you wake up you have to wish and greet everyone around you at house also. And say good afternoon when you meet someone in the afternoon. We people, we leave school in the afternoon, and at that time again you wish your teachers, and the same way when you reach home after the school you should again wish your parents also or anyone at the house, so that the same process is followed, wishing good afternoon or good morning at the right time. Say good evening to wish someone in the evening, and when it's evening time, we also call evening time tea time because we usually take tea at that time, so that time is evening time. And whenever you meet someone, you can wish them good evening. Sometimes papa comes at house in the evening from office, your mother comes from the office in the evening, so you again shall wish them and make their day more happy. After that, say good night while going to sleep. So when you're going to bed, it's time to sleep. You should greet everyone again and wish nice good night before going to bed. And dear children, this is again a very important good manner which we should follow, which especially children should follow. Share your things with your friends. You can see in this particular picture there are so many children and they are playing with toys, they are reading books, they are sharing their food also. So you should share this with your friends. You should not fight over small things, and if your friend does not has anything and if he needs anything, and if you have it, it should be good enough to share with them. So this is again a good manner which I want every child should practice. And keep your surroundings clean. That means हमारे आसपास जो भी जगह है, सराउंडिंग्स क्या होते हैं, हमारे आसपास के एरियाज़, ठीक है। अगर आप पार्क में खेल रहे हैं तो आपके आसपास का पार्क एरिया हो गया, अगर आप घर में हैं तो आपके घर के आसपास का एरिया, दैट आर योर सराउंडिंग्स. सो इट्स योर ड्यूटी टू कीप देम क्लीन. ऐसा नहीं है कि वी शुड ओनली टेक केयर ऑफ़ आवर ओन हाउस, कि हमारा घर साफ़ रहे और हमारी कार साफ़ रहे, बट रोड पे हम गंद डाल सकते हैं, कुछ भी थ्रो कर सकते हैं, लिटर कर सकते हैं. नो, दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है ये. सो यू हैव टू टेक केयर कि जहाँ भी आप हैं आप अपनी सराउंडिंग्स को क्लीन रखें. In fact, you will be surprised to know there are some schools in Japan where children clean their school themselves after finishing their schools. वहाँ पे उनको सिखाया जाता है कि अपना स्कूल, अपना घर कैसे साफ़ रखना है. So this is a little practice. We should all follow this and keep our surroundings, our city, our country neat and clean. Then, dear children, now where we have to throw the garbage or the litter, जो भी आप clean कर रहे हैं, you have to put all those things, put the waste papers in the dustbin. Now what is a dustbin? Dustbin is a container in which we throw the garbage. मतलब जिसमें हम कचरा या कूड़ा फेंकते हैं, उस कंटेनर को हम डस्टबिन बोलते हैं. इफ़ यू हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ वेस्ट पेपर्स जो आप यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं, उनको डस्टबिन में फेंकना चाहिए, सो दैट दे कैन बी रिसाइकल्ड, उनका दोबारा यूज़ हो सके, दोबारा पेपर बन सके, एंड लेस नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज आर कट फॉर दैट. Do not tease animals. Now tease word might be new for you again. Tease मतलब होता है किसी को चिढ़ाना, किसी को तंग करना. कई बारी आपने देखा होगा छोटे बच्चे हैं वो पेट्स को या ज़ू में जाते हैं, कभी पार्क्स में जाते हैं, तो वहाँ एनिमल्स को टीज़ करते हैं, उनको परेशान करते हैं. सो दिस इज़ नॉट एट ऑल गुड. वी शुड नेवर डू दिस. If you see any animal around you, you should deal with them very softly, very politely, because they are also living beings, right? So teasing animals is again a bad manner and we should never do this. After that, children, when you read this page from the book, page 47, there are next 6 difficult words. 1 to 6 आप already कर चुके हैं. Today it's time to do 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, 12. So you will again read these words, try to learn them and then write in the notebook. Number 7 पे word है punctual. Punctual means when we do anything on time, when we reach anywhere on time. So that means we are punctual. Dustbin, I told you, is a container in which we throw some garbage. Waste means जो excess चीज़ रह जाती है, जैसे आप बनाना खाते हैं उसका छिलका रह जाता है, ऑरेंजेस के छिलके रह जाते हैं, वो चीज़ें होती हैं वेस्ट, जिनको हम डस्टबिन में थ्रो करते हैं. सो those all things are waste and they should all go in the dustbin. Next word is tease. Tease means चिढ़ाना किसी को. यूजुअली दिस वर्ड इज़ यूज्ड फॉर एनिमल्स. कई बारी बड़े बच्चे छोटे बच्चों को भी टीज़ करते हैं. सो दिस इज़ नॉट अ गुड प्रैक्टिस. वी शुड नॉट बी डूइंग दिस. Number 11 is garbage. Garbage is वेस्ट अगेन कचरा या कूड़ा जिसको हम बोलते हैं, वी शुड नॉट थ्रो द गार्बेज ऑन द रोड, रादर इट शुड गो इनटू द डस्टबिन. एंड नंबर 12 इज एल्डर. एल्डर मीन्स जो हमसे एज में बड़े होते हैं उनको हम अपने एल्डर्स कहते हैं. सो आई होप चिल्ड्रन यू फाइंडिंग दिस चैप्टर वेरी ईजी एंड इंटरेस्टिंग and you're learning it also side by side. So take care, enjoy your day, study well. Thank you all.